Welcome to India #1 HR and IT consultant.
Are you looking for a job? Join Aviation Join Job. ISO 9001 to 2015 certified company. www.aviationtechnoserve.com. Online job internship. Mission: your choice, our promise. To apply technological skills amongst youth to empower them for gainful employment through technical and vocational education, and to enhance productivity of formal and non-formal sector of economy by having close interaction with industry. Vision: whatever you're thinking, think bigger. To promote talent and become a leading care consultant in quality recruitment. We consider it as our duty as not only to locate the best talent available but also to contribute to the develop of individual talents as well in whatever small we can. About us. Started at 2012 with headquartered at Noida. Our team IT talent. With a focus on quality and precision, we help build high-performing teams tailored to meet the specific needs of your projects. Target: our expert recruitment strategies ensure that your team is always ahead of the curve, powered by the brightest minds in the industry. Career orientation programs. IT Industrial Visit Overview. Industrial Visits. Certified Talent Solutions. Certify Excellence, Build Success. Our IT certification services are designed to ensure that your team is always at the forefront of industry standards. Corporate training. Corporate training benefits employees to accomplish corporate goals and success, as well as improving teamwork, employee satisfaction, and retention, as well as each employee's personal skill set, job value, and career development.
On-job training. You'll start your online training from your home and working towards your first industry certifications, before progressing onto a paid work placement with one of our clients, including market-leading companies, tech clients, and other end users. Job profile. Systems engineer. Technical Service Desk Engineer. Service Desk Analyst. System Analyst. Process. Online classes. Resume building. Mock interview. Profile build-up. Interview tracking. Happy placement. Feedback. Join Aviation and grow your career. Aviation provide 100% job guarantee. Our success story. "100% job placement guarantee. You get real-time exposure and experience. You get flexible timing online Zoom session from home. You get per day per session assignments. You get industry-based practice on projects. You get trained by working as our IT administrators. Online training on Zoom. $25,745 trainers placed in top MNC company. Do not trust hearsay? Check our reviews. Our awards. Our trusted clients.